Oh, sa live tu. Even na shaky. Share. Tu. Head.
Kau game tak kamera? Tapi
Ha?
game tak kamera?
Tuamo. My videos na ba my Tuamo.
Ini nama ini.
Laku even na box gur. Aku even mo profile.
Kau sana dah.
Go, roti sana go. Scroll down. Aku langsung. Pegang saya sintetik.
Live juga.
Ya, live juga. Takul. Lalu cuma utama. Salang angol cuma. Akamo mem.
Selama.
Oh, tabil. Oi, tuamo ka. Last goodbye. Yes, it. Merlin Alfaki dan Pony. Kita. Na YouTube. Yun na siyentasin ko na link. O, dito lang ba ka?
Kau.
Sami.
Kau. Rahasia tagal nanti.
Yo, hasil tango. Post. Live serteng aku. Going live.
Oh, ini no. Kau.
Yeah, right. Oh. Terpilih. What? Arra. Ah. Flori. Ambul Flori. Hai Flori.
Mike, no push that.
Alright, set. Wait for me. Navi, lá comigo. Cadê minha nave? Cadê?
Kunito kapag natulo, sa rin kima matamata. Ya sa pagka bigit ko na likimam, hindi na nga likimam na tayo, hindi na nga likimam na nararawa. Ya kimam ya lupa di guna telu di sa tuo itu dari kamu ni na muni. Jika na muni ko ko di guna singa din dai, na kono kimam kita tanda tukin kimam na bula. Mo na ta boleh guna bula ni kasi mo ka demo kimam di tanda telu. Singa din din na buka buli di kimam bisa buka bina kali. Wala ni nona bula, nona bula kani, nona wama. Ini tayo bersandar rabuci berubur. Sumbu jiki mami jiko nom di buka di guna telu na luti buka suka gale di nai. Tumbulan na leli mata buwale kaki ni kimam na bebe kani. Ni kimam na rin kim ni tak cunga tapi kakek tengah taran ni mami bula kina ni mami bula. Mana masuk kimam sa rabor be kimani kimam du bo cukup masang sa kana tanya ng tumbulungan ni ata. Ada ni bulan ada ni ngangka. Na ri Yesu Kristo nga ni mami turanga dan ni mami bula. Amen.
Kita lihat sana.
Oh, thank you. Yan, cukup. Oh, may lagi ako ng motor mo.
Asik natin kay Kuya Palibutin. Pinakatapasan ko. Doktor na ka. No. Iya. Bitang ko ka. Ito. Takot ito ba? Takot ito ba? Gusto nga ka. Gusto nga ka. Takot ito ba? Takot. Gusto nga ka.
Ramai nang kasih merong wili. Dik raw may liw.
Nah. Mulai teman. Mulai teman. Mulai. Kau tim mau pibuknya dalam.
Odi. Kana ko labi.
Ilan. May go. Tarang.
Awa, tara man ako. Bita-bita lang mo. Set. Ikot ang nga Sted. Pig. Pig. Tangan na Sted. Bita ito yung lumanibulot. Isak. Eh?
Kemudian kalau saya mengalami dan memiliki kawan, saya memiliki kemudian satu kawan yang pulang ke mati, dan bersama waktu saya kemudian memiliki orang kedengar, lebih kedengar saya lebih kima. Jadi nggak sampai ke kima mesti pun ada rawa satu dia dan mami warna bibi kini, kasar waktu yang lebih kima sampai boti bolu tu, dan mami tak ada lolong bagi kuasa yang paling bau nombor. Ibu cik mami nak putu di mati, tidak nunggu di seluruh waktu. Kalau dia tak nak dia mami wana nanu menang bulan tu ibu cik kembang. Bulan tunde kuni sati kukin nak buat seluruh meloma lagi. Saya ambil kegrap. Kami sati kungan nak kena maju nak bekai ready kan tu buda. Itu lebih kami main nak tambah kami tahu ready kata mundu. Ramadan nombor di bawah di bawah tinggi. Bukan Yesus Kristus dan mami turanga. Kami mami wong. Kirim dosa Yesus. Kaya menangki ng bulan, kuasa kumpul tiaw, kaya pagkasama mati, ng bulan nga. Ibu kaya ang dosang bulan, kumpul tiaw, ng semester 5. Isa ko malira na kayo guru-guru mo na kalo, sa sulikin na lang ng dombong asa ko tumura. Kako ni Rusin dobi, sa kumpul si kaya. Nararawat kayo nga ng bulan taong mundo. Sa siyang nakain sa ako may kibura-bura, sa hindi na sarani na siyang nakain na nagtoto tayo raw. Sa sulit ko choba, sa toto tayo ko choba, yung mga pinapinatakin na natin choba. Siyang hindi bigyan din bulan na bukun nga. Sindo sa mati na bukun nga, kaya kaya sa bulan wana turangan, kaya kaya sa mati na wana turangan. Yung salah ko na lang maniway, ako na chiko keiko, lang maniway na siyang niluluri ko, lang manibukawang na siyang nikaniko, na siyang talagang ikatigo na maminibuka, hindi sa iyo ko choco na namukalo. Kako ni korere niyo sa chiko kako ni patangayan niyo sa namukalo. Bako ko teki ko, iya au nabuke ko, kung tuyo ko ni ko, nalingaw yung mataw, santo din. Nada ni kalau na tamang na kinalube na kinalutamu. Sa akin daw kaya sa nabika niyo na matakadin tayo na lumaraw kinukobre binata ni raw nito may dambe na makanikuwa may wada-wada bolo. Na vitala din singa din dai. Hotel cuma mati. Sa ministry jam na may tomana. Na Italia na singa sa kadin dai wesa to na tal ni puro bil menuso.
Na boleh.
Negara kita sa Cigani na buksa kini ng terus di tal di masa mo. Yang matasa kadin. No ditutup niluto sa kot sa nang goreng ng muni. Ang sana kayo kung muli Cigani nga daw ni na nagari para sa kanin ni bulbul. Yang matasa kadin ay. Sir ni karunan raw ko sa gawono kay bagasa kunis ang sa ko kay sa satu daga sa manda nga sa halangan ni buwan tuloy ng matasa kadin.
Amen.
Tata kisaka na lo kima bibiti muni naturang tui tui nakalo ni bit kalo nakalo kuni sambula nakalo kuni satiko nakalo sa muni na lewa isa sine na lo makinandina sa muni na pura-pura kinakake na sa sine kina na bibon nuwa kire wa katsuki sandu dono muni lo kobi sa kiri muni to kai siya talindo na kaloy pura-pura to wat kiko muni na muni mo se kabe kimami sali mo na kaloy ra mamata na sa ni rai ra wandalingan na sa ni romo ra bogalingan na sa ni taradaka ra bogu na sa ni demuraw ra bogawan na sa ni lakwa ra ngabo boka sa ni bakasam vendo sebi kimami na turangan ni sa ibatakar karwal nga yung kimuni kimami pambote ni muni sa ambula kuni sa chibo kaya wat kimami na matasa ni sinan dita isang sa kanito kimami na namin matamuni matakani kuha muni raw na muni sa raw luway wali kimuni ng pula kuni sa kilang na daw ni sa me kabe kimami choba kuni sa kilayaw kuni di kibiyaw kilang butu raken buti ko somu na numani lomang kuni sa tiko kuni sa kilang to kaya kau salah ko taki kilomang langi sanu muni cucu ko baturan kaya salah osom yung pura-pura sa tutu niya ba muni kaya sa tora tamo ni matakakan roka lagi tiko sa raman na saukan waswasan tundir yung may kaya na linga muni lolo mamichipo na songo ni bitala ni tenda warang ni temata wadi ucu na liki mami kima mikila isya sa kanindo bikima mi muni raw yung mata muni nado na ngauna kuni na karibi kima mikila nado may na ni mami singa meba kaumbo boleh tadi kimam saya buli wasi bisa tadi linga muni natura boleh sebi kimuni natura na bo muni benar sino sa kadi tai imam kita memang bo bo kani baka mo wale matabni kimam memang wari tang wala kapi kimuni na kaluna ni imam bo benar bo benar tekno na bulan umi tomata sayang ada penua sayang biti sayang ada matentu yang ada lotu yang ada bubale ambil tu kotor bikin ambil dan indus binatang. Bawa binatang non bula, kaki non bingkarabi. Di sakali biar, saliba di kira non ni bawa dia mungkin sama bau tu nak kalau non bunda lagi mami. Di saat ciko uci non ni bawa dia bukan nanti non ni bawa sakit memdorong ada. Di sama kita mata, sana dia muri kau itu non ni bawa. Na boleh ni mami, suatu mami bawa bukan ni singa ni dah. Na boleh mata bukan. Kimami bawa ni nata kimni, na norale ni pale tu na biana kaki ni betul makumu na kimami bawa ni nata tu bura, Kime masuk kira tu wiki muni ada singa dia dah kime muni tanah kalau semua cikgu nak buat dia mulai lagi nak lom ni matu wale. Ne bukan dia tu cikgu nak bulan singa dia ni mati sang ni dawa ni laku. Dong ada katu mami kime mitan dola bani kita na ni mami koron jina kuni baru tak tu wiki mami nak keluar.
Ini.
Siang ni mami koron bo wiki mami cikgu bodoh kini. Dua tali usi bedan. Kuni baru tak cikgu wiki mami nak keluar. Wira ke dia mau cikgu ni. Imam sarau sa kanya lalu matakan kuan bulan ni master mo sa kalibi din bulong ko mer sa liya ni bikim ni imam ibo mo tena kalau ni sa le lewi kor mo malan imam ibo mi laki na ni imam chiko na singa sa kanya de lo tu chiko ni imam ibo ni na bikim ni imam ibo le su chiko bikim ni na kalau bo mi na na bulaya ngaki mi tala ni kuan wakasa tala kina ni imam ibo kan ni chiko kate ki imam ni lago ni bulan na buru-burong ko de kima mikila chuna kalau ni dona ngauna kuni kena kadibi kima mikima milusubi kuni na boleh nabi okani kima mikila ni rusati ko biar ngaku main bongi loma ni magawa na bebe kanya da sema tu kina matu mo bale da sema kina kuno watura mo sio kima mi wabil bina na turanga ni kima mchusa kana singa ni dai mem sare ni kima ni dai kima msare ni kima wabil bina kina turanga singa sa ni dai ni kima bina dambe kima mi bon nomundi tapi chuna matinele kima mi kila ni bale ni singa din dai ni mame chiko ni vital tala mi bon dite ke chukina muni lo kima mi di se kongo na sala na murike na kina na tomate na kokana jina ni no bos ni boko sa kana ni mami balwala ni buki kima mi tu ni songo ni kima na gara sa kana singa din dai la venci ka do kai do kina na dumi ni wasa sabata kima mi no ni dai mami dua masuk sa kana tani ni ada tisu Kristo nga ni mami turanga kani mami bombula tambay tu mami romangan boro tay ni Uli kesakan balon da lesyon ni matarsa kadin dai ruang sa chuna no lesyon kun sa may ni matay ni Cornila Cornila no so to seba chikin chiko no kita terus lagi Cornila ni keno seba na Timothy sa nanon dari wala beli kecil kawan di kini bukan di Indonesia di kecil kecil kawan kasane multam berpuni kawan go itu saseng ni datu kina dia ke bekas rusa main mon desau sawo boy na tamate lo mana besi na kirna ina nondra rama manda sa de boleli sara sa weather weekend na seru leu sa usi bida ke boleh usar tatau inda sasengan ni wan numati ko na beka sa rele mai na beka nga sasengan ni rele mai isa de walele nga na beka sa rele mai ia sasengan ni mundu na beka sasengan ni rele mai bakal mata turang na nos digano sa weekend dan mata sa kanila kamu kira sa tipo ni na wot sa chulo na negosasyon tao pero ni nagay rumah lu chulo na ser Ukila ni tiko talunga kita na share may grupo na kanta may tuwalu katalaki na berto na moane na lomi matuwali na gito chunga mayan na kinanong kinanong sama pinagrab kinanong matay ni boss ikinto ba
Kalau kita pakai mata dia eh. Orang nama tok kami dua makan kaya bili. Bagi dia kami makan kaya sok. Karena pelakon ini tu sama terlalu dua. Ketul tipu itu itu lewat nama tangan. Itu dia si kerua orang. Terus lewat. Terus bulan nanti mah. Itu kan tengah ni. Itu satu kerja mai satu mai konekon. Aku tengah mulai rumah. Osarmi itu umur. Tapi dia pun buat make US. Dia bukan nama make US. Ada bunga, ada bunga itu. Mungkin ni tayo orang baik dapat teman kinamatin tu orang minsan ni nanti kan kemaliwan pakai dendai nakali bunawarin
Nakal.
minsan mo kinakawan bakit may kinomo kasi susi dia Sementara dendai nakaumatula muna tu naman muna kelaman Ozay naman ya nanong kita biar makan dendai di sana keluar roya sama nangai wapan yang mengkerap naikkan teman-teman dari kita teman dari orang teman ada semua bertumpai kewalu kereso kerasnya diri mau betul pernah ngomong. First of all, I would like to welcome the Tuvalu contingent this morning. I know that you have been here for a couple of days. Even though you won't be understanding what we say, we do hope the spirit of the one that we are setting off today will be translating into the language that we know. So on behalf of the family and the Lenore clan, I welcome you and I welcome those two that they can speak our Kinaloto o wag marat ni nung nagtiwa total manawal mo ko yun na matakin na na yun ito ka ni wala ka talangan ni Montesi o wag na ni nariban na kinatulog kina Kuribulias, nampun yang baru nanti tak mau baru itu orang tu yang lupa dari perlu. Erto mas kekali main nak kuribulias dia mungkin orang boarding school. Erto masih kemain RPS, orang dia sendiri main RPS. Erto masih kemain sama. Erto masih kemain boarding school. Aku dekat itu main. Borto nomor dari bulan tu, so berto, ayam bagi dua sekali mo, so berto, orang mana buli demo, ayam tahu nak, lihat kita nak pilih. Orang tua kira, orang tua baik-baik tadi yang makan yang baik.
Boleh.
Orang nak makan yang baik, ni sakit dah buat kita sekarang ni, nak makan yang baik. Kita semua Kimundu nomor kimundu, rawalnya una, namun nuai ratu maikin na rajin wale.
Aka.
Kau tempat saya lalu laku, sama itu kau tunggu na, kau na lalu laku, karena malah tunggu kini. Kita berdua, kau pulang rawalnya, berdua tunggu kau mai buat, mungkin dia mai wale dia. Usana atos karena itu namposa, di mana program untuk mengikuti, itu dia untuk presiden, dia itu juga untuk kalau itu nanti rumah lalu kita kena nunggu buat terus di posta, kalau itu nanti lagi untuk tahu karena untuk laut, O vea como no está aquí Moses semana a vale la. O mo, se no va a do de pedir para Moses se mal never. Ever. O do que de quanto lá mo. Hardly não se truna Moses. O do que moji, Por pues mai kita wale usar nei lako di family o kato kitu asu kire tu ki na kono ate tu asu nei to le bulu kitu ke o tal kadi isa ye buni bola tu kiban rotu langsung di kalam au sali loe au ki RPS au loe au RPS arbe murian Muria o tipo de tipo que manejava que manejava que quando nem na hora não nos pôr mais que ver estamos aqui na lana é cabeça de crítico o qual manejou a sabe o qual é dax mas aqui ver quando estou em o é na Headmasters Trophy 1960 Lembang itu bukan bahasa Ika, itu Ika itu naik bahasa Cina. Kau biar challenge kalau itu kalau lebih bukan, kalau lebih borok kan itu soya. Yang mana nabul, Daun dua itu kona favorite verse ni mo, kona Genesis kan nabi kawai. Jadi nona tahu apa? Daun buat kita kan daun tu lebih kona nabul. Leave your home and your place, go to the place which I'm telling you or directing you to go. So you can be a blessing to others. Allah mo tanyo mo sa nakaway. Sa biu may na mo, kaya tunga may buwan, si tunga ike, na yan mo, the blessing day mo, and si mo lagi. Levo ne ofensa básica mesmo, agora está vendo na blessing com essa rone quando vai ali, como tá querendo mais, tá querendo não pegar então tá no nota aqui, tá querendo tá não pegar o pai, como vai de nada que se chama ela vai me levar lá, quando essa rede não vai, eu não sei se tá tocando Orang orang tu kata nanti bunyi ni lawa tak boleh nak kini boleh. Bukan aku tu nanti kau nak tu ni masih semangat kau nanti aku tunggu oni tak kelih kau warna. Kau warna kamu tu kau itu ni pola. Kau masih sebuli dia, sebuli boleh buat lagi. Kau yang itu dokumen tanah dari pola kau sebuli dia. Bulika mau berlaku jawatan tidak mula, namun mua kalau kita masih kemungkin kita berdoa. Moses saya kau mati mau terbang, mau nanti kuna kita ikan, lalu terbang pelan ke rumah. Moses itu anak kawan masih kemungkin Moses nanti umumnya apa ibu? Ya usaha orang kepikiran kawan. Tak kau dokumen virus. Mai puna, tiba kita nasau mai puna. Nana na obuli benua. Dona ngane na ngai bawa tike na luve da usai gasi. Unawan kana na. Dua kina na lugan rau, dua kina na makumbuna. Nana na otawaki. Otawaki ang isulia buwan na otukana na itutu may bunga. Nasau may bunga. Sa kinaman ni roto sa lamang may namon, ni roto sa ngayon mo rin ang resulta. Sa sulia ni tutu, sa ngayon marang tukito. Sa roto ngayon manibimbiw naman. Roto bimbiw may bunga. Naturang ito si roto ulit na yan ang baloro. Pagpilitan nga na yan ang seu. Bibi o koe e wano malau. Mai wano malau, le wano wedi ki no koe. Le masika ki na jua na turang na matahu rodolon. Matahu rodolon na ko, gai masika ki na, o koe na turang na nona ulma tua o koe mai rara. Koe mai rara, e wato kai tiko, ni ulma tua ni sau mai molio. That's documented. Ulma tua ni sau mai molio. Yo kasi ni muli na sau mai molio. E aran tuli kere ko era na ka romanci. Nessa non regiuli, ama ni orang tu dia. Zaman ni kami muli ngamai malam nessa dua nak berturang dia ko ela. Lalu kalau ko di dia kaya besar ni nasanglau. Mas nasanglau lenta betul kita tanpa tanda ya rasali kali juga ni kau apa. Kalau ada yang itu kita nasanglau, dona ya masih lucu kau orang maslow mo nasamai ana okoya wata kikungango naturanga mo kwa merara. Okoya suliyo na yaka mo na nona tujujuga orato na kilomat. Balate ni abalu ben tagingane. Kambasi ka kinda ngonon. Ay na bi musik dia. Okla minsta na klar na tumo. Do ana berbuat itu hari mai kinai. Ketu lechu ko mai sangau. Lalu pernah na? Dalam baca mai bulana. Or kaisau number 2. Kaisau number 2 nangane ko na sinai Roro Bombero, punto Roro Bombero. Sampai menyerutukan mamai nasanggalau sa lako, melirega, melako ya, yang lako cibata, opo ya melula. Yang pun impiu nasanggalau. Ya sini mana wandur kituan. Melako koe, lagi cukup memot. Itu memot yang nanti orang nampak. Nanti dia itu memot, tapi dia berpulang nanti na awak cina bicara pun nanti begitu. Ya, orang hati tu dia tu tidak pulang. Kalau orang kerja itu tu nggak memot, itu tu nombor. Tapi itu tu memot ni, tak elok tu pulang. Orang berlaku mewah katanya. Kalau orang beri kita orang marah memai pulang. Saya ni marah ni pulang ni. Orang nak anggo. Sini telur rawat juga, sini bambu tadi parah macam mana? Walau beri kita naruh nalukan tangannya, pakai lagi kita pakai baik, pakai lagi, kau ngone, orang tu orang tuan, pakai lagi kau nggak sih, kau kita tubuhin, gitu.
Naga.
Kau ngone, Robin selingan itu tu ya, mengenai jadi disturb lewat dua itu, itu nasi ular semua. Kita udah tungan yang itu.
Naga.
Tanggal oslo buku atau pelangi buatnya, roti nanalukan. Orneta ni model itu, naya kan mau model itu, sedikit tua balik ombo angkat mevisu tak naya tak kenal lopak ya, akhirnya bersama tak kenal lopak. Kalau penuh dua udah, kau cuma main untuk kelas lalu buat tidur rumah kita. Mereka model roti nanalukan, naya ni model itu. Justru matanya ni, justru mai tom.
Sampai sini lama itu sudah pasang.
Robi tu ni. Dan kalau mo, kalau tu ngamai vera, nak kaulo tu orang kaya. Kiri tu ni berani mana kau yang dah Sampai kiri ni kalau turang orang sampai orang yang dia pulang, literan orang balik tu nanti. Ni orang itu orang nggak di situ. Terasa mengapa? Tapi itu hari kita dapat nombor, ini orang pulang, itu terasa mengalir betul. Tokai lagi sampai itu terlalu o Netanya sampai volveni mai o Netanya Roma itu apa lagi plan? Itu kan bukan dia. Bravo. Itu cuma nama tanggal dia plan. Semua waktu itu. Kalau waktu itu punya orang itu punya. Waktu itu punya. Sampai masih tempat kita itu nomornya. Ratu yang lewat ke, ratu masih mau. Kayak dua orang anak tengah. Kayak murid-murid dulu. Anak tengahnya gua, sampai juga nak ulai ya, jawab kan. Kayak kelincu kita naya datang bayi teman ratu itu enggak. Itu nomor terlalu kecil, kau mau ibai naya. Karena nak ratu lagu bangku itu nggak cuma ratu lemandera. Sekarang sini, sampai dokumen kalau masih dulu buatnya. Nah kalau pagi aku ni awak pagi, kalau pagi, nah kalau pagi, dua natural ni tong, aku mau pulang, karena nasi tu kita nak mana bo, bo alifatai, kawan ngan ni tong, aku harus cukup mau rumah tak, mai kamu saya tak kena. Sampai kamu kita ada alfatai, alfatai. Bila nak bersaud satu menurut umum, aku sahaja mau tukar mana. Aku sahaja kamu, aku sedikit lah na history. Waktu itu, dia orang siapa ni tukar. Tukar itu tegurube itu, kau coba. Menurut aku, ada sih sama boleh. Eu sabia tocar nada, go ahead. Ela mudi te deu uma ideia não, na rua. Te deu não como. O qual é a tiré? E ela tinha mamãe kama tá? Não vou usar muito na instituição, que eu ajudo. O ele não é faz. Na realidade, tipo, mix tipo da nível. Na realidade, só modelo. So, kalau pagi, misalnya nanti tuan kita, orang kita lunjut, mereka mereka. Kaya, orang tu pun ada cuma bikin ni, sana tahu di moral kita. Namun ni buat sini ni sini buat na. Namun nandra, nak tipu buat. So, nation, sarau tu dia bangun nak saya bakar. Balas, nandra tipu buat. Nandra ni Rangan dulu, rangan diokai. Orang nampak ni lah, sampai terlebih kuat. Lamaru malu. Jadi apa mai malu? Tahu malu tu untuk orang boleh. Nampak kemai. Okey lah, yang mati kalau kami ngomong. Orang itu mundur untuk yang masih kemai itu malu. Kita kan lebih kalau di mana mana maru tipu, sampai orang malu. Saya orang dalam ni mundur, orang au mara wale ne baleta ni duas sangarao ichnomenta
Naka.
Veito towa click of second ka jam sena tale na nao sena tale na lava kenda vaya a toca na vale rolu already rolu ngor tu do logo ko tu na mai one sustu mai ke rolu already sale pagaro me disuo. Dari kau di Bali lu tu, orang sama kita kan, kita boleh bawa tak kosong mereka. Kau sini Bali tu kita nak kau bawa, bawa kita itu. Kau nak lakukan apa? Kau sama kayak itu, sini boleh ambil kau dah. Bawa. So biar orang apa? Orang bawa apa? Kita cari kita beli. Kalau bawa kita ada di Bali semua ini itu. Kamu langsung buat.
Naka. Naka.
Bye. mani tigo toke mun bono na on turang pino sa titala na turang na minista sa baturang katunga itu bisa na sa mai maron sa tigo na romani non tigo na man turang na tibulan sa tigo na bulioti kena beokai kena buku na man turang na mate mutu na bono ka bakawate kina na kanda au pusa na dodo meu musikimani na linya boso mate mutu kimami kimami bi mai bonoa kabuka kina wera tu barata me mai tupunikata ke vidaka membala tena kanda sampai metri kani artigo na kanda be tubal au na no mo boso babala ge ukilan na kere me sarwani di ubaka sama kan jor ta to mo ko ngasih English na koro air high school uwa be boso babala je ko tara ngora turang na minister na we kan na mon turang pilingani mai na bono na basobi me koro Masta Moses ngalu kalau pagi ala ko ya ene matai ngauna ni ber ni robe kule kina kina nganengu ena daka bantau riso masogo ena lo manyane ko waya na ngauna kali porto mana kina ni bera di wawati kina lo manyane no buwa e wawati o Moses ngalu bakatua alfaki ena lo manyane no buwale na itala ngase bwademu na ngase pola bwademu selu sungar balu ena lo manyane no buwa tandai kambasi kana tinan tulangone na ikaliwa era loma ni buwa ni tikandwa kambasi katina na bioka ni bo lagi o mai tu ena buku ni ena buku na dilu ni mata kali bete na buso mata ni mudu kakau tachiku mai na kola ko mai bonwa na bioka ni koto ve bulanga kote ki mudu asanta bo makau koto mai tu guna nangase ni matani katumba bitu ulanga otu mai moni bono na ikele ni wanga na oni dentai mai koro na tan chura o mebe mai moni bono ya na bono wato ka kitu nambara bikele mai ulanga ba to ka ta to na bembe mara de la lo mani tu mara Moses ngalu waka do alfaki endo tundu waki mundu era do buli na ngone buli mai koro de koro Allen High School era na lolo mo ngana ngone mundo ke bakara na dua ko ngone via undo na kilao masteli ku buni lemba ke tachi go na rara mai koro ronga inro rombes na tiro ko ro ma bitali wate ke do tala tedi kito na Daniel buli na patana chi go na sisi ronro ndero mo masta mo ni ronro rombes na tiro sa kele ni nito matali wali sele le bona lori iro to kama nito wali o mateli ki ona na manyo to wali sa liwe na tabani moli tumba ena matai tame kito roli lolo mo na mani gol desta na masta mo ko rubi ya na leo kale ko tu wana kasugo kando ngule na ndede no nito kasi ko wala nga beka e murya chuko ni la ko ya ena ma una sale principal civil na mayor case le ko do na ngoni mo be pas ka ner case balik ko le ngoni bulang Ikia tena, ele muna ngoni mundo le no mokin. Do na fole ni ke do kan do kapitala, do ka di biga ke do nungya. Sampai do no moko nungya na ko na tena ngoni ko. Kwa se ngoni ni ke ngati no nungya, na wini moga. Sababu ni na waleu, ena buku ni bika san bito toka, na ko ndo ngolo mune ko somate ni mutu. E atara ko ko na ngona rosa bioti ni kila. Ketine Merlin na timi kabau to kaya te lo menito koro na sin mokso rugby club go na timi go ka me ko to na bi lo bi den so e na tin ka dio wal sama bun e na mate ngauna sake ma mi ba ka be ko tu na turang go na be ba ta uli di bina ka tuwa o to ka ni mana e panen baki ngale ko sta ko na tim mena sau ena ramai mutu ke me wondu ke sino so na tim mena sau ka ko to ma kwa ke me misal ka tim mo sa ka ni e tu ta tu na ka ni itu tale mo itaw tan ka sa wale mo kaya turang mata ni mugar sa may kaliba tunay sa karnival. Selalu si matang raw. Mata ni non raw ko non roti lo ba temen. Ento na mo pulang. Kali kosta ka man tingin sa. Kia ke mem sang kay bak to ka tay ko kim to na rawo. Ke mem sa si kali ko na kay fulang. Kim sa kay ko to mo na leka. Mo da ba kay fu. Kay fu. Dona biokan ye ko to na bono e musa mata ni mundu. Pati ke na bono baturang o monosio. Ne biokan mai liu. Bikin tanda bulan di rumah karena bono ko bulan, ahola Indo itu kutu itaw sampai kalim. Na itaw kan liuta kan korni mullo tu mai koro. Korni tahu kabato kan tu kini meato kono kono go taw ti. Ogombo te nabi mata ta chigo bikin tan bola bola. Nabi okani kan biu mai bikin tu. Na no tu so mai ngasi. Kito na ya kabuti na ya kamuli kan do bak meni kinongan turang na mata ni mundo na ko na malo. Ramalo tigo mekete, mon turang tigo lang abeke mudo. Mayongnya. Yan nabiyo kan ko kumikitu. Tila dikito na sota orto na nuntung mebulang amat ke mundo, kaya na mati ng tolak atuma. Kasi bersong. Tali di nabiyo kan ko tayo na kantugo. Kanggali ba ko kuota ka? Nabiyo kan di nangono sampas kan ikini mebawa ti loman nito tigo tigo na loman no matangali, en loman no buba. Kartu sako ke kinongonon. Eno mani bubal. Ena buku ni kena sema tina rani biokani kako to bon turango. Ni bel nutilia dona tadi go na loman no matangali na kilati ko to na bitinani. Moni goka ento sustunga na bubal mani turkarao sakya si roi ka to tutunga mamalon moni go. Sawa wati nyo o tabale kito sampai terang anu kita tangile ni lulu mata kalim bete na ngona di roikan na oci fulo dia tangan ini bin siang ni sembo ro mata bondo ko na ya kan ni tu na mapi ke bi na kan fulang sini sembo ro mata bondo kila tu ko lan kemba oh no sini sembo ro mata bondo na kan fulang sangai iba makala ta ko ya di nona tatali lai cacode oh nauti fuloni Cina nangai mitsta mana me fulang sampai dua kali itu nota boleh gitu kok me possibility pakai Cina nangai sampai tu kune wa ni tu tele roika o fulang Indonesia ni bisa tahu musuh ki no tu mata kali nangai tu oh una no mande fulang tu mai wal fortuna ana bibi ni kita lagi wana boleh gitu sama indang no kemudian wale ndraw moti nabi kampale cike mundo e ko na lo mani no kumata na lo mani usama ten mundo sampai cike mundo tama mundo sakti bagos tu ento sorin kau na sorin mosita kamaro tu dole la gola dole li ser na kampale cike mundo tu lo mani usama ten mundo gasi buli bateng o via da volta na babi bina na no muli pa ko gota tale na vio kanya koto e na lo manya uso matani mundo ke na uso konosi atale ke muni na kalo muni le na kala na bibio go nyo ke muni na matani katumba no na matani mundo ke via mole buona mantura mantura e na koto manya lulu bete e la ko ke muni ke ko Unindo wasa isu ke muni lo man no buwa ni odikla sa munu ati na mantura matani mundo di sa ke do mai nan bilo ni bete mo munu ba na no mukili ke muni tu le ngono sa kere na bimu soti ke tu le mai mol mo table ke tu tan na mol mo e na bukuru to na bitinani bona ngane ngo ka mai watu buka na lo man tiki ko sa kan tama e na lo mani wi e wo so matani mundo mo mai watu sai ke muni na mantura tu nei tura tu bula sa watu sa sarati una buwan ena sigil bina ko ciu sakki nan montulangan na tibulanga toke mon bonwa turangan minista na beokani yo no bulioti to no beokal to metu wanu mos beo di sini moso bala isa buket ko so ngauna le buni boso no tena buni boso maten mon sa sarati kelio
Oh
Saka.
Ako na maturang sa kay Komisyon nung nagchuchuro na maturang sa Ibulaga. Susa ka na maturang balik. Yung nabintin niya ako sa ni Rampo sa Mustina. Kang balik sa ating kwen na matagal sila binalikuha. Susa ka na turang ng minista ni Chico na lislis. May nanong balbol di niluto. Wesley Victor Tuma. Chico na bulyoti. Kaya na pinakani. Sa may lowat sa ating kwen na luto di Vitaladi. Mas tamo masese na lupay kaya na matagal sila na sa likuha. Tudang sa kaya na ko ni kabaradaran buli. Kaya naman kira-kira na marama kaginigas ni buli baliw. Kabandaw tek sa ati bali biya o niyot sa ati panaw na natin man miniti na matagal sila bukiluro. Dulu marti po nugula ko ibang nakaka. Kira sa ati may tipo. E nalupsahan ko. Kabandaw sa ati ngayon. Kira-kira kendo mentam dadani buli rin may tipo nalutubay mas tamo. So tarong naluto sa kabay mas tamo. Karena wanita tadi kan, itu kuni bersama ibadah yang kota yang malu saud. Cara itu kan tanah na, balakan itu lah. Siapa orang bukan akan wasif itu mesti kan kalian. Baru saya bitu dua, masih senang halfai. Karena singalu tuliam. Berdireteu tipo ele não rapasnati boleh spesi na pornivore no bolitete mai na buso mai se kau foto nanduan na bose porque na neto vil bola tundei o kere que rawa di kerana ngai betal wa na silmoni til madong boleh que na neto bose na silmoni wa no mo sombre no mera Gertelen yang sila berbuka, waktu bukan main nasa sabakara, kawan di tatina di kerana ngai mesot na sila muli. Yung kinadala ni sa wadi otek sa katuba ni na kere may balik may rekomendasi muli wadi mo. Kaya matagal sila ukilulu, kau puro besar kinawali mo. En rai kiri batanga dia di bola. Kena mata mamarau, kena mata ngai niliu, kira abis tahu kena main bola, ini itu betul balik na buso, kena nero video itu pun taliboni, kena marau saud. Kalau satu sakit di poin, nama bentuk baju pun bentuk beliau berbanding tak ngai ni, paling laksar weekend dah, na itu untuk punya nomor lenderabi, baru bitu dua, masa senaru. Kalau fakir nak bukan tabani boleh, yang nama dah bermuar. Rata aku venderabi, mas tamu me kamera, rata dia mungkin nak buturan lagi boleh, mai koro, terlepas kena ni terus nak boleh cari rikin kadiwa, walau sengaja kedua. Lebih venderabi nak koro island, high school di sana tu nak boleh nak pungwa. May nawal sa kedua, kinawal sa katol, kinawal sa kaba, kinawal sa kaano. Sa magdalakin na ituto, may bukong kinigas ng uliliw. Kinapor muli ko tanaw ya, sa rabi mong sarvaliw. Kinakyan na, abitita kaya na ibatangin nga din por muli, na sa yado na poro high school. Sa Andewayani, kinapumulima, kinapumong. Nimberan niya rin le sobo. Nerke la kumay meron may tuman ng romuli na university ni Deva. Karawata kina na ng professional arts degree. At sa kumay na ng romuli may na university ni Deva kasartor may na kanay walang kuroy. Lane sakani, ane karusa bukaruan January, tinkariwa Dios sa kabulu, nakaubanra Junior Secondary School. Yabu sa kataltiwa ay nakuha nakaubanra, kaya nangangoya. Pero tiko wala may nakaubanra, may na Dios sa kabulu, kina Dios sa kabulu katolo, muha niyang baki Dios sa kabulu katolo. Talagang talangaki na naibatagan din koriburo nakaubanra, Junior Secondary, may sa landiani kina Form 5, kina Form 1. Sa nakaubanra, high school, may ado batiro may kuha. O kailangan na ngayon karena tingin mo talangaki na vocational program. May nakauban na high school o kailangan doon na nito ay talungan ngayon na tingin mo may kina nakauban na. Rebartan di po na liya mo ni Pero sa to siya iba kayo yung Marlene Duro. E na itabangan ni Buli Radaka na nakauban na high school. Kaya tingin mo na kina so na wala ni Buli Bong. Kaya sila tuloy ng mga tauliri, yan na may vocational schools, yan na may pormuli na may biti, kailangan niya ating mga tangay kaya na huli ni Silvero. May nagbabanra, kaya nanumabin na tipo, doon na may tanong at ito at akawa, kung na tipo balikin na may nagbabanra. Rawat sa ating may nagbabanra, kaya si May na tarusalo kawan di January, meron may may karamihan na ratulatian na secondary school, may serua, may natinagkaliwa, Diyos sa Rukawa, daway natinagkaliwa, Diyos sa Rukalima. Yan na ito sa Rukawa di January, tinagkaliwa Diyos sa Rukawa, karalay sa Rukina, inakor ni Buli matangara, susmikina, narakaw ni Buli, matabat daw, naralay Torkina na ituto, may buke-buke, Mintas ni Buliliw. Vice Principal mo, Balimay, Queen Victoria School, may natin kaliwa Diyos sa Bulkano, natama ni Nambaki tin kaliwa Diyos sa Bulkalima. Kaya ni Donalaw na Lamaya, para may tortal tungakin na ituto Mintas ni Buliliw Martawa, and Queen Victoria School. Yan ay kabalik sa luwer, tin kaliwa Diyos sa Bulkano, Realisya ni Kim nakikadaw. Narletoran na itutu ni Belutaki, yan ang korno muli ng matentu, may kadaw. Namuni siya secondary school. O makasamataka na nakati mabalik pa yung siya, o tipo, marami kong kinigas ni Mulyo, may Richmond. Korno muli mo may kadaw. Ibiran na nga na, ito ando may siyong kata tipo may unisya na kaya nasanay tipo may kumuli nila o may tarki na nabalitang tala yan ang unisya secondary school. Dua era tuta kasara na kaya na sanay may labeti di ba taga-taga nilibuli may unisya kartutak talaga na kaya nasanay may taray nabalitang tala may na unisya secondary. Kaya era tibabali may unisya Ibina talaga na ngayon na, daw care subyan kina Richmond, isa may negatibo na nortong kasi ni muli ni physics. Daw ngayon suka nga na muli na kami ni Barong bukas, ando kerito na bottom may muli siya. Daw sando kondotaki, bolo ni Barong buka, laisi na pakaruway, may adaw na sila tamo, may bukit yung nakya na sanay may relabeti, naman may muli siya na bukuli na iso yung mga physics. Oleh na lesilesyo pati ko boleh mikir, buat itu na mga qualification, sen na leso ni baka dino na benderang, maniwaliani na levetor itu meron naman. Sabi rin mama tu na may. Sabi ko na nalala, sabi mo may tumutipan na may Barong buka, meron di ba yung sultan na moto, Richmond. At yan ang mga sasaga na turang mo, na kaya na binakati, Lalabeti na raw ka mabuli naman lalabeti ko muli sa kanang siya, kaki na lalabeti kunwar sa kindarabit may kina. At yung wali kaya, meron na wali daw na baki Ronondoro, meron na kay Lesumay, meron may Velutaki, yan na kore muli ni Matentu, may Londo, di naratukan na muli school, ay katin kalima ni Chanwer Ronondoro Kandua, na yadaw ni na muli ang baki Ronondoro Kalima. O may tao malilay sa kay Ratadawlew na Bawini Bukelulu. Dia saat ini mai mata-mata kita mai betalo to ke orto ngas ni muli mata-mata ka dona kana non rabai se sata kana non ra vendara vi turang ngo mai London. Dua au rumah dekia dia mai mokoro talena makando kile tu ke no mai rat kada bulia bo na visi na tambu na white sandy. Rebecca na mana rabuli mai rat kada bulia bo na tila na uniform dress code mai rat kada bulia bo na visi na tambu bulo mai na mata kaya na boy. Dongo kai mai baduru mai no talena na uniform na dress code bo meranda bi solki na naman ya sa tambu. Kando talaga may baduruma na non-uniform at non-darumay na non-nililib. Ibigay na bibisa o ipakagara mas tamo nalaw na ratunumikin na ratatabliyaw ka may tamuswikin na naka ipakatupay tumir tradition sa nakaw sa tuli ko rin buli ba na bilang na niliw yadang may nangurangaw na nililib tayo. Balbali, rabarta sa ating weekenda na kaya rin tututupan ng patani kuha yung dua Wera rasa na wala nga nerle si merle kas di buli siya merle beli utake ndo talaga ito tetiko ay na bisau na vivo ndo kede erta di merle vendera kina dua ndo fakabrea kado babu na bisau binaka na bonua na vendera kina od sa kanon ra vendera marat kada bleu ra kay le sumay ra to skula ita ko sa katolo di chanueri tinda ro ndo kaon Berada mai tiba balik ya me andawa na bulo kasita na katil kayo ni sila yung rono may bitar lagi pa ng mga iliw na tambihan di balik wala o bitar lagi po daba mo din ang muni lako ay tubang kaya barita ka ang dua kaya rawasota ang mali kirayaw ng ulit tubang barita ka piyaw na patangan-tingan din ibuli tubang naman roka mabuli para tartana biau mapakete esuli tiko tuwalu karo ni marwata ki sa batu ta ki nakau tor ki boebi do talaga tumuda ono man yung nagtiko marat katawlew daw kenen daw jawa sanda jawa may munisya daw ay rat katawlew may kaasa no tosar may bol-bola yan nabukod ni grad ya au kai bi barat tawle o mole wala ma ne to kamera chukuna ni la ko mai na tu mai tualu ato to saranga no sa mi so ko sa di tuwa ba to kaya no ra tu no turango en nada ro ediliu na de ro metal ki mai ba bolo ya en chanueri yang ba ko ne karbonisina sama ni solikina na legislation na bindita ki no pes ne bit kertuma Marsa ngoleni marle karawa na korni buli tete mai no so. Kote tukane ndo ka pa ka wapala na no sa bitara pinki na mai no sori en na wasa loma en na buku di bisau binakati mi ndarabi en na buso. Na kena sa binakati mi somo sa secondary school me sa te ko ba ko kota ki na korni buli tete me bas kai no sumai na buso so mo na se yang nak kena tuba sa nakena tuba makawa kaya kile tuki na nabuso en na beno na liwar do may bulikin na naman ni Pasifika kena sanay me mandabor en do na karya pada na kena tuki piliba ka makapertania na non ra semati na non ra buli na mane may nabuso maralesyan marletete na kor se may nabuso maralesyan marletos na may kor ni buli torda keso kote na manda banua. Wakotea na nero bitawa ena ika ena tika muni ena kama nyambakengo ena namrelesi echeni kina sinu narsari bador na baby sau kasatuma talaga na tabanan ng company na baby sau may baleti inabuso. Ya ena yung mambauta ni kani wakin nadala ni saya na nawani turanga na no sa may talibi na no tinga ni mula sawti en na lako sa lindo weekenda en mole tani weekenda tan sa ni sindo de dayo me tuda sa kan mo taban ni bulu do to na ibira na bosa Kailangan kasama ng paleta na ng kabulan ni Kendarabi na taban ni Huli. Turang ang barua, bitu-bitun dua, proses ngalu halfaki. Yang nabugun taban ni Huli kung sa kanang minista na maraming minista kan marang gani mo today. Kaya daw ni Kendarabi. Dan namantagan ni Tuhan, isang balam sa masa tsukaya na Kenya.
Namaliw.
Kawan-kawan, Madam Glory, and members of the Holy Family, Minister and officials from the Ministry of Education, PG, members of the congregation, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we say goodbye to Moses Ehalka, a very special friend who has touched so many lives during the course of his duty as principal of Mokowa Secondary School, the only government secondary school in Tuvalu. He was the first principal to have been appointed from overseas since the last Palani principal left in the late 1970s. Please allow me to share with you in brief some of his success stories when in Tuvalu for 3 years. Mo and his dear wife, Fulori, walked up the beaches of Waitupu in October 2007 to take up the challenge of transforming the school in alignment to the latest initiatives and practices of today's classroom. Moses brought with him to Tuvalu the wealth of knowledge and experiences which were gathered through the many years of teaching and later becoming one of the renowned principals who had steered some top schools in PG. But with all the academic fortunes, Moses respected the current status of education in Tuvalu and did not force new ideas into the system. Rather, he introduced changes in a very gradual manner. He firmly believed that in order for changes to happen in school, teachers should be accountable. He appreciated the fact that most teachers have been teaching for some time without any refreshing programs. To this extent, he himself, and with the support from Fulori, they started capacity building and teacher professional development sessions for all teachers. support teachers with their work, Mosese developed a teacher handbook which contains all from daily routines to timetabling, school rules, and code of ethics, to name a few. Support staff empowerment was also on his agenda, making sure that they understand what they should be doing, and to that extent, job descriptions for each staff were reviewed to avoid duplications and gaps. Mosese introduced TVET in MSS as an alternative pathway. In 2008, he was part of the Ministry of Education delegation that visited all islands to do consultations on TVET. We started TVET at MSS by implementing a school-based TVET program, including sports science, carpentry and joinery, and hospitality in 2008 to 2009. He went even further to find placement for those students in TVET institutions in Fiji. And in 2010, our first cohort of TVET students on the Tuvalu sponsorship came to Fiji to study. Some at Ratukatavu School, the others at the Fiji National University. Out of those students, 2 completed certificate for in sports science. One of them is now the sports master at Lotsoa Secondary School. The other one, so sports master at Nauti Primary School, the biggest primary school in Tuvalu. We also have a young lady who is now working at the Punakoti Lagoon Hotel in Tuvalu after completing a program on hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, you should be proud to learn that one of those students is sitting with us here today. We have Manuela Paulo, who completed a certificate for in carpentry and joinery from the Fiji National University in 2012, came back to Mukopova to teach carpentry and joinery, and is now back at FNU doing bachelor in construction. TVET in Tuvalu is gaining momentum. Last year, 31 students at MSS were conferred with certificate for in IT from USP. This year, MSS is franchising two additional programs from USP, which includes certificate for accounting and certificate for in office management. Students who were expelled from school for serious offenses were allowed to return after spending some time with their parents and guardians. The move was not supported by most people, including teachers. Mosese, however, believed in giving students a second chance. They will eventually learn along the way, they will say. To the teachers, he challenged them by saying, if students fail, it is because teachers have failed to perform their roles, their responsibilities. Contributions from Mosese did not confine to the school only. He was an active member of the Waitungu community and the church as well. No wonder the whole of Tuvalu is mourning the loss of a champion, an academic, and a true friend. During our grog session at night at your beautiful home by the beach, you are our friend, simply known as Mosese or more. However, as we enter the gate of the school the next day, you are the principal of Motorola Secondary School. Rory, you have our deepest sympathy and condolences. Our prayers that God's unconditional love be upon you and the family in sorrow. Thank you, Moses, for the great contributions you have provided for Tuvalu. Be at the right place, at the right time, doing the right thing. You will never go wrong. Persevere to the end.
Hello, to Mrs. Halopakis, children, grandchildren, families and friends. On behalf of the government and people of Tuvalu, Minister of Education, Youth and Sports, and all teachers and students of Motokowa Secondary School who knew Principal Moses Halopakis, I wholeheartedly send our deepest condolences for your great loss. I was the acting principal when Master Moses Halopakis was appointed as principal of Motokowa Secondary School in Tuvalu in late 2017. On a personal note, I learned a lot from you, Master Mo. Your transformational leadership style was obvious and amazing. You pushed me to climb up the academic ladder. You were there to acknowledge my success. Therefore, I personally send my gratefulness and I ask the Spirit of God to relay this to you as you dwell the realm of saints. On the other hand, the Tuvalu Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports remembered you indeed at this time. Your contribution to the students of Motokowa Secondary School from 2007 to 2010 was obviously evident. You have left your footprints on our soil and minds. And your students are talking about you now and then. You have set the bar to a higher level, and the ministry is having difficulty in finding a school leader that can measure your knowledge and personality. Today, we are organizing a special church service at 10 a.m. today, Saturday, the 2nd of February, whereby all your students and teachers here on Kanaputi Island are gathered to commemorate your life and your legacy. We will always remember you, Master Halopakis, as one of the greatest principals of Motokowa Secondary School since its establishment. Thank you for being a glimmering star in the Tuvalu sky. Though that star is faded away, we remember you as long as we live. We love you and miss you. Alofalasiatu, Master Mo. That's from Dr. Tupowa Parnapa, the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports, on behalf of all your ex-students, teachers, and Ministry of Education, Youth and Sports, Tuvalu. So far, Mr. Mode, Master Moses Halopakis. Thank you.
and children and families. We were deeply saddened to hear of the sudden passing away of our dear Fijian friend, Mr. Moses Halupaki. whom we considered as a member of our extended family member. Last Saturday mid-morning, Lucilla Halfak-Lohono messaged Fatia from the United Kingdom to convey to our family that her father had passed away that morning. Our usual Saturday duties became trivial after receiving the sad news. In our own individual ways, and as a family, we recall four members of our dear friend and also mentor to our children. So we would like to share with all of Mr. Mosesa Halofaki's families and friends how we are blessed to be part of his family in his life. Most Tuvaluans knew him through his dedicated work in the area of education, but for our family, we got to know him as a man who loved his family. Although we heard so much about Mosesa Halofaki's work in Tuvalu from our families and work colleagues, we did not know him that well until we met his daughter, which is me, and her husband Lilimo and their son Jordan in Brussels, Belgium. It was during this time when Lucilla's husband was seconded to work at the Minto that we became families away from home. It was through this connection that we came to understand the parents who raised good children, and that was seen in Lucilla's love for family and education. Our connection to Mr. Halofaki and his wife Lauren was strengthened because of their time as those outstanding teachers of Motorola Secondary School on our island of Waikiki. For the late Mr. Mosesa Halofaki, he was the principal with valuable work and can be seen with the success of those students. There were times when we would be updated in Brussels on what was happening on our island Waikiki by Rosila to Moses and Flori rather than our own Tuvalu families. Our love for his grandson Jaden in Brussels was reciprocated with Jaden's kind gestures towards our son Yese. Moses' love for Tuvalu, his love for better education for Tuvalu students, his love for Tuvalu coconut syrup, Kalevekula, his daughter Lucilla's closeness to us in Europe drew us closer to him and his loving wife, Lori Halofaki. Our children did not have the privilege, like other Tuvaluan students, to be taught and looked after by Mr. and Mrs. Halofaki at Motupoa High School in Waikiki Island. But we were fortunate to know them better as parents to their children, Marilyn, Lucilla, and Moses and Julia. Friends to many Tuvaluans and non-Tuvaluans, and loving grandparents to their grandchildren, Jaden Halofaki, a sense of appreciation and contempt of people who were sincere with their giving of their wealth and knowledge, and their compassion to do good deeds for people. Upon our return to Tuvalu at the end of our posting in Brussels, our family was honored to be hosted by the late Moses Halofaki and Mrs. Flori Halofaki and their families. It was an emotional time to see our son Yese being clothed in Fijian Tapo materials and being part of the cover ceremony and lovely Fijian food to welcome us for the first time into their lovely home by Kuku. Yese, their son, is autistic, and when we lived in Brussels, the only person who could relate to Yese was my son Jaden, which is why they had a very close relationship. That day was the re-strengthening of our bond with family and good friends. Conversation with Mr. Halofaki would always highlight his love for Tuvalu, especially Vaitupu and Motupoa Secondary School. Our daughters, Fatia and Fayoa, were also happy to spend time with the late Moses Halofaki and his loving wife at their home when they returned from Europe last year after completing. His humorous but useful advice to the girls was, please don't get married when you first get to Tuvalu. You will disregard all the efforts your parents made. At one time, we recalled his daughter, with her worried face, told us that her dad had planned to travel to Tuvalu by Nivana III from Fiji instead of taking a flight. Although his daughter was worried on the other side of the world, Mr. Halofaki was excited that he was going on a historic trip, Nivana III's maiden voyage to Tuvalu. More worrying to Lucilla was her dad's keenness to travel back on the vessel. It showed his humility and desire to reach out to people where he could easily mingle with many Tuvaluans who knew him so well and regarded him highly for his work in Tuvalu. We reassured his daughter at that time in Brussels that it was fine for him to travel as a deck passenger, And there would be lots of Tuvaluans who would appreciate his company and identify him as just another Tuvalu. On Vaitupu, he willingly joined the men, young and old, volunteering to construct the island church for the 2016 summit hosted there. His work and contribution to the community, and it is only fitting that the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Tuvalu, who is from Vaitupu, visited his home this week to pay tribute to him on behalf of the government, all Tuvaluans, and the people of Vaitupu. Moses is just one rare and fine breed of people. He had the passion to educate students to their fullest potential through hard work and discipline. He has been a reformer of many schools to raise their standards, including Motipoa Secondary School. He has a special place in the hearts of all Tuvaluans. We believe that during his illustrious career as an educator, his assignment to Vaitupu was just the pinnacle and highlight of it. This is evident in decorations he has in his home in Golgotha. To Moses, we take our hats off to you, and for all your love and passion in the good deeds you delivered. Thank you for always being there for our Tuvalu students, who today are hosting a special memorial service in your honor, and we will attend to love with you. We know you lived your life to the fullest. Our deep condolence to Lori Lucilla Merlin. Thank you for your support of such a lovely man. Moses, rest in peace, and may your legacy continue to shine in our lives. Inde and Lilian Lewelu, and the children Fatial, Payola Lewelu, Elisa and Yesi. Obviamente, we can meet on a people of the living is saying we can meet for Merlin for a new one. So I want to get out on the Navy and great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. I don't know what this is. But I am heavy-hearted. There's nothing else I need to say about you. All I can say that you are unique among me. I praise God alone for blessing me with a dad who had a heart of gold, a great mentor, a beacon of hope and love. Man of a man for who you are. Some men see things as they are and ask why. I dream of things that never were and ask why not. Now I can clearly see why you always wanted the other, and when you see love and life to strive for the best in life. You always told us to work hard because we are all living on borrowed time. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We walk together as a family. Your journey is over now, so it's time we rest. Not on the second of my Jaden Sila Yavikin, Saki, and Jaden Philly and I will continue walking this journey. To everyone who is gathered here to breathe and farewell our power with us, I pray for great blessings upon each one of you and your families, and may we all find the inner strength and comfort in God Almighty alone. Rest well till I see you on that glorious moment. Cheer me on, Kamaru, so I can broaden my shoulders and widen my heart to pray the Lord for our family. Mother Pakamanda Wakalekele Pakamandu, Madeline and Peter Davis, Sacramento, California. Ove Pamandu Chunaniboso, Kanibim Palaka, now Juti Munguboso, and one and Nisiki Punatama. Ove Wasena, son Kutula, and Palaka, the Miko Bubai. Talking like you don't go in the Kula, and the Kunami London, and the Susu. Kaya naman bula baka tama, kaya na wag nito buwan. So kaya tangan sa nabostok na magpalay, bukal ka magalala, ginagawa po ito kaya ng palay. Kaya nito sa nabostok na magpalay, ito na mga manirong na so nga nabitikinalay. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Saturday, 26 January is Great Man, the soulmate of my beloved mother, best friend, Lynn, Moji, and me, the confidant and protector of his sons-in-law, Ilimuan Peter, and especially his precious daughter-in-law, Sarah, the proud grandfather of Jaden Uzziah and our Princess Glory, took his final step in his journey. I'm so grateful and honored for an opportunity like this to stand before you all, still in the physical presence of this great man, my first love, my best friend, my world, my everything, whom till he drew his last breath, I was always so proud to call her my handsome Fulana. Born on the 18th December 1953 in the village of Marytown, the 10th of 12 siblings, born to one of the strongest women I know, but with a Ruby and Joey Fox. May I share with you that the greatest truth of the Alfaki family is that the way my beloved father passed was similar to his late mother, Uduru, and one of our favorite Talia, the Choril Indaba. That is the very reason why my small brother, Moses, carries the name Balena Masu, literally meaning fast while praying. What a beautiful way to pass, no sickness or pain, still in the presence of God and entering his holy kingdom, so filled with the Holy Spirit, having that clarity of thought and ever-present peace in entering his holy gates. Today, I just want to testify of God's goodness in our lives by blessing us with our power. In our journey as a family, we were blessed with that being the rock of our family, with our Heavenly Father at the center of our family. That was the captain of our ship. We had the thick and thins any family had, but oh, what joy it was facing it with God. Looking back, I hurt remembering how he would put us first in everything. Now as a wife and as a mother, I can say my mother simply was the luckiest woman in the world. Yes, they had their ups and downs of any marriage, but for her, now was his everything, his world, and he protected and guarded her so fiercely with so much love. Di and I were glued to the hips when it came to reading. So many days of just sitting and enjoying our books. But whenever the call came, he would jump. I remember when we welcomed George Moji to our lives in Rakiraki. Even as a school principal, when we woke up, I'd watch how he would lovingly wrap Moji up in a blanket and carry him for their early morning walks. He'd come back, leave Na to rest, and then proceed to hand wash all of Moji's baby clothes. Yes, we had a house girl, but it didn't stop her from doing that for Na. 2 whole years, it was just him, with me, myself, and Moji in Mara, while Na was in Subo to complete her degree. Many said that it was wrong, but that didn't change Ta's mind. He made sure Na got her degree. Ta did everything for us, especially with Moji being a toddler. Now, upon reflecting on it, this is one of the main reasons why we were just so close. If there was one thing that Ta never missed, it was family time and worship in the evening. The 3 of us were all encouraged to be part of Scripture Union, so he made sure that we as we got older, I was surely the rebel and broke every rule in our house. That encouraged us still to find our way to Christ. When we all parted for the first time for the 3 of us to go to New Zealand, we were there baptized and born again from Hamilton. It brought so much joy in his life and ours as well. Little did we know the mountains that came our way as a family after that took us to so many levels of spiritual refinement. After Ta had his massive heart attack in Bulisea in 2000, his life also took another turn. I can only praise God for the life of my mother. What wonders a prayerful wife can do. Ta had a second child in 2000. It wasn't only me. Na was also poorly that year. She also had a major surgery and took a school term off for that. What a turn for us as a family. The Holy Spirit was letting any of us off that easily. As a family, we went through quite a fiery refining and sharpening phase. Dad lived his every day as if it was his last. He gave his all. When he spoke, he also did what his words portrayed. As he loved to say, be doers, as action speaks louder than words. Dad was the most forgiving person. I remember when both him and Ma and myself were teaching in our class, there were some really out of this world rule breakers who really needed to be expelled. So they were expelled, loaded into the school truck and taken home. Lo and behold, they were back in school in a few days. He would have them go home and write letters seeking forgiveness from their parents. It was on these grounds that the students returned. His justification, if they can be forgiven by their parents who are their gods on earth, who am I not to forgive them? I don't remember any of those students reoffending. Just as he was given a second chance in the world, he made that impact to give second chances to those who had lost their way. So much has happened in our family. I never once lost hope, never once stood back and watched. He was a leader, a naturally born leader, who knew and always told us we only go through life once. There was a lot of spiritual awakening in our family towards him moving to Tuvalu. What a painful parting that was for us. Taina brought us up together, always to be together, wherever we could. One thing we loved to do was to sing as a family. I remember on one of our last trips to Fiji, when Lynn arrived from the US, we had our devotion. We sang a hymn, and that was so emotional. When we finished the hymn, he pleaded for us to sing again. He said, "This is a totokandina. Nintende menge fupsetan nutu makasiere." Tuvalu holds a very special place in all our hearts, not only because of the family and friends we gained, but because of the spiritual breakthrough in all our lives. When I moved to Cyprus with Illinois, Taina were in Tuvalu, Lynn and Moji were in New Zealand. We all didn't have anyone physically close to us, and it pushed all of us on our knees to pray as Taina would say, "Sayao kede matamat, sa home katikundunduangan akalo." For me personally, I was told I couldn't conceive. Praise God, upon my return from Israel, I was elated to let them know that I was 5 weeks pregnant. But with that breakthrough came the news that we would have to remove baby again because he couldn't survive in my womb. We fasted and we prayed, and the miracle that only God can do became real right before our eyes. Even though I almost died at the delivery table, that miracle is Taina's first grandson, Jaden Messiah. How fitting for a man like my father to have his grandson come into this world like that. In his life, we witnessed the miracle of answered prayers. Even with his princess Loli, the hard labor Sarah went through for her as well. If it wasn't for divine intervention, both for his grandchildren would not be here today. Sometimes when I start whinging or complaining about something, he would simply say, "Pray Jaden na." That should remind you. Impossible was the dirtiest word in God's dictionary. You are either mad or crazy if you said, "I can't," or "it's too hard." To him, it was how much faith he had, a man of great principle who believed every day the Bible verse, "You are of God, little children, and have overcome them, because he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world." We came to a stage in our family life that we saw the physical manifestation of his faith. Although at times it's a tiny mustard seed, but the mountains it moved was beyond our comprehension. I would always say, the God we serve is greater than any mountains that may come our way. The positive attitude he had, the drive he had was like no other. He broke through all barriers only because of the faith he had in our Heavenly Father. When Ta told me he was going to Nokoso, we were so happy for him. We all believed it was a calling for Ta. right to the end, he broke through the barrier of knowing, in human terms, 65 is permanent retirement age. Even at that age, God appointed him, not only because of his abilities and gifting. God used that to show each and every one of us here that he can still do the unimaginable, unthinkable, beyond human understanding, to show us that he is still God. When he last spoke, I was always so honest with us, and he said to me in Fiji, "We're money matitu and telling no more than a big didn't come. Our Talaira and honor it. In English, it says, I'll translate it to you. Should I die in Abuso? I died in my calling. I was obedient to God's calling. It was always so important to me that in our own lives we must always prioritize pleasing God and honoring His word more than anything else. In our last conversation as well, before he left on Saturday, much was our excitement in discussing his plans for Nabuso. In the last 2 weeks leading up to his departure, the manner in which he spoke and the things he was saying in reflection was more or less indirectly telling us he was leaving. It was all about sorting out our family issues, our home, even to now and what would happen should he pass. And in ending our conversation, he kept saying, remember, it is more important to fulfill your purpose on earth, to fulfill God's calling in your life. Don't focus on the pettiness of this world. Focus on God. Ta has left us a great legacy. He has proven to us the use of serving God in diligence, in complete trust, pushing God first in everything. God would have taken him from us in the year 2000, but he blessed us with a bonus of more than 18 years. Thus served God wholeheartedly. We must do the same in every aspect of our lives. That trusted God more than anything else. That was his compass through life. This week alone, for all of us as a family, should prove the power of God. In my grief for time, because I was so far away, my tickets got cancelled twice coming here. Never in my life has that emotions on the second occasion when my ticket got cancelled. My ticket money was held by the bank, and they said it would take 24 hours for that to be released. At the very last minute, the Bible verse, "Be still and know I am God." What men think that can't happen, God showed himself to me so clearly. I sat down and worshiped God with all my heart and soul, and sought forgiveness and immortality. The peace that surpasses all overcame our house. And within 10 minutes, I had all my money back in my account. The same ticket that I was asked for the previous day was sitting at, which was sitting at £3,000 mark, was waiting for me at the price suited to the amount I was refunded. Praise God. Even in his death, I could see her smiling at me and saying, "I told you to stop boxing and confining this great God we serve." I told Mai and said, every time God makes a breakthrough for us, Ta always says, share that testimony or write it down and share it. Still in his physical presence now, I'm going to do so and not stop sharing all the good things God has done for us as a family. In the end, when Ta passed away, he died the poorest man at emptiest. He had no debt to his name. He had only coins in his wallet. He died empty. He gave the house in Valelevo to me and Lee. Now built his home here in Batialel. For all that our good Lord blessed him with, he gave, he shared right to the end. He was so full of talents, blessed abundantly with gifts as he poured it out to everyone, to all his former students and colleagues. It was not Mr. Moses Halfaki alone that was an impact to our life. It was Christ within him, through and through. For all he has achieved, we lift his name, but we must glorify our great God. To him alone be the glory for Ta's life. This is the beauty of serving God. When all is done, when all is achieved, when your purpose is fulfilled, then you pass on from the world so empty, proclaiming, Naked I came from the womb, and naked shall I return. But his bonus will be, this time around, well done, faithful servant, come and enter the pearly gates of heaven. Yes, we will all miss his voice, the daily calls, the langa-langa, the emails, and the messages. We will miss those hands and his gestures when he is trying to make a point. We will miss him reading the papers quietly in his lazy chair. We will miss him greatly, but we have a hope that we will meet again soon on that glorious morning.
Sa sana kontrang na italtal na kurunbul ni warteg menabuso sana kontrang na inista sana kontrang na italtal so ketimbau ni sana kontrang na tiblang susung sana kontrang na tunay susung sana kontrang na merah kontrang na sumsa naloni manwul na kulun warteg memut po matin to wal sumsa na kontrang na tuyon kontrang na tuyno duai kontrang na tuy kabar kontrang na tuy rawal tambadada ni wul an matin covid kontrang na tuy bunuk Sultana Piturang bal. Untuk balat ni dunia dah buat Piturang lah. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank students and our family from Tuvalu. I know that all of our relatives and family knows about Tuvalu. Every crop session or any family meeting, even in our church, we'll be going. We can hear it about 4 or 5 times. That's how much he loves Tuvalu. He even named our house after Waitu. And his first grandson was born when he came back, named him after Moses Mokpo. And one of the granddaughter named her Taltul. And another granddaughter is born on, I think it was on Monday or Tuesday. Named her Maftan Baliwakol, meaning Baliwakol means where he passed away. I'll just read a message from one of Tawal. Nawin nga lang wal. Ito may bintabli kito kan. Nakira nung yung usod. Ni tinutotol ng daluto ni Kuwa. Kan dakilang ng turon tamag. Turang do buwasa. Sa kito na nung kiniting tol. Kila niliw na kayo was. So, wala nyo natanong niya na may walo liw. Nabuno ng bulas. Wala nyo natin ito nga kinakalo. Nabuno ng pulayak. Nabuno ba yung bulak? Bulakan kandang kumal. Kandang tep. Mori putur. Dokan turan temag. Okila ng bulo. Rabun-rabuwa. Okila ng bulo. Pupabutin niya. May lagang turan sa may kito. Siyang sarangan ng doon na si Binlili ito ng 5 cents nga, 20 cents. Dapat si Zoom, siya bukas-bukas. Uli ko na ako tolaw. Pasikat. Sa may wita, bitsi ko ibol. Ibol kinawet ito song. Balat na yaw mi uno. Kasa karibiyo kinaklo. May dakat kina. Kahit kumo na kongkol ko len. Mental ko mo. Kau sampai ko boleh.
Harap tumaya le nilolo ki mai susuwate ko teleo. Kasawati ko san ki lema. Awakal rusila. Angon ni werta ki umu mai ta. Ina kau buka. Ina do pelat tui wateleo. Ko sam ki pula. Karawa salalai. Karawa untuk cubol ki pudur. Kumo. Kapag tu kerobita dini. Lete ni ko anggas subua. Kirondo wiwali tunga, vida mera ubia kaya, kaya ni balet wikilai kemo. Jadi sering ni buli mai QS, itu ando wertag, jadi bima kau, kasolien tu na paundi, mikito saraya lalu suba. Jadi tu na sing ni wertag, naro mai na mali lalu toba ta, naro mai kamba toka, jadi tu ni bunboa. Jadi kisah. Na leo ni malonde, ni ito kay sapa, kinanggala ako ni isip mo. Narimba lagi may isele, ang kay luta ren. Kalau ngatin chicken and ren. Buti ang ren kakito kabi mo, buon time, lagi. Tanurungan ako ni leo. Kung sa may lang na tal, pero isikot, pibulang, tinabiyon kau. Huwag tal may pulang. Narebyang kon to kumo nilay kasarmay tal salaw ni maliyay mengunyang ko na china kolok kaya to kumo kaya huwag yung na torong rola bililay katumbalaka kilat kumo asal ni ono biyokan liwo mer ubiyokan balik mo Semua teman menunjukkan Kamay rong ko na imdaw na na fight populang senata ta mo salay kilay sal ketubal sampai kata ciku ni kuah bokaraw inaw ni mo na nabiyokan mo usaman iman na to wala no po iman mo siya na kaitan sa kiliman kinakulu kau sabon bintang, ilusi lain lans, malu abinderan, malu angkaran tan, nak mau kali flur, kemo lain angkaran mo. Amate, tahun tu berutai, berarti kita tahu kilasinya, ini apa kina, aku nuai ini apa main kina, ayat ni orang apa main, iya, nak berutai kau pula, ini apa main kina. Kako cisu, tomatan doon sa kilay, may kumati. Kaketa sa bogro tukin, sukut siya siko. Baga gini ni kelo, teman makulong malay. Ay lako ni bulong ko, dan lako nga buto. Tamat siya nga kan, tamat baga lok. Kung bagay na sing kuwa. Coach kito tal may mabubuan. Turang tamay kito. May chico kami karan kinabul. Chico do. Emang santo salu sana tu munya baru kita tu. Tukuna chico. Orang nanum kimam. Nabuni to yang ni chico mangkaran kinabul. Orang nabon kulon do bulan tamay kito. Mal Sabtu main do turang capan. Malwan nga may may bulwi tamay kito. Nulong nito bubali. Digomin sindon tamate wagarin tubal. Di ko mo kito ng bos-bos mabilis na. Turang tamay kito. Siya ko nito. Pasel do tamat. Kay bulang, kay mundo, kay mode, kay on, kay kito mo leta. Siya nga kay kito. Maruri rakyat pun sampai itu. Awal nak wan clue, isun dan sing tua. Ini orang nak kingdom budaya. Itu bagaimana? Bagaimana Sinai? Saya kau boleh lakukan untuk kata tu kalau itu. Kau memang sering dibuat tadi. Tungau lah. Kelani, musnah begitu din sana tapi kita yang tukang boto tu naturang itu tamay kito kaya Because the hood is going to mostly move on to our friends from Tuvalu. No, we'll cry for today, but thank God for the life of our dead. Turun temang kurang begitu itai. Turun tu kau tinggal roka. Ser kau nunggu ni nak. Leon bawa kau semua terliau. Tu sarah tu na binggarai tu susun kami gitu. Kasambol boleh ni tumbula mau tebin. Itu na pemurian. Itu kata boleh sabi tamatel binak sibir. Itu kalau kinayal binak sibir asa cumi kita. Pemurian cuma nayal binak. Untuk kalau belum masih tok, walau dah bis speech may Marquez impromptu speech. So the right topic. Don't my school, don't my village. Aku kita na topic in my village. Sa turangan nakasama tingan ni kita bos. My topic today is my village. I have never been to my village. Ini simple contoh temang penukor. Pertama dia, ya mau beli dia untuk ini bukan untuk kayak belah. Itu tuh orang itu orang tahu sih. Awal nak kau beli dia, Sony touch, nampak dia touch juga nunggu file. Orang nunggu senai. Pero matubiokan, pag tuman at nak sa nakaramang ito, wag din mo na ito, kila ni Tamarutak at Niko na bulaya. Wag lingit sa kinanaturang at susukar ito. Hindi mo na turang. In the right time, yang nagunobits, no karap sa resipsyon ni Minsta may tubal. Ilaw mo bubay. Duka kayo ito tuwa, duka ito Prime Minister. Masabi dia Deputy Prime Minister sa pangitutan. Kurang mo kayo magawit sa nababing naklip. Kaya mo gusto saksakan ng buwas. Umintay na gagawin. O wag na siguro naturang ital-tal. So katimbaw. Nawali mo naturang ital-tal mo naman po. Tama rin na naturang ulko ko. Huwag na yung na yun. Agak tal sa nababing nasa pero mo gusto susok sa kung turang ital-tal minus turang ital-tal kapatimbaw turang minsta turang itu kambar tiulang tiungnya timonera lebih nilai turang matin mood pero mo na gusto ako trabaho na kliyo mo kan to na numtul to mobile duwa minit ko ng pulta may ito. Ama ini jinsar nakakakuan ba si Tulikot itu kay Cyrus tarawag ni Tota yan kayo sulsulda nga kasulikin Andre kaya pa yung yung kawag na kong tulo ng bulan ni Tota sunod na manisig ito sa diba
No one ever cared.
Apa?
So
Bo, salah ko sa hospital mo sa sinulong di ko nang gawasa sa bumi mamo sa ready ko kimulay ko na mo manikisi sa kilay sa samuwi ko sa kilay na sala tawre ka nang buli ko ti ko meron bulat sa samuwi ko kung hindi na buwan ko mo so mo dia ko hindi na ko pitin sa mga ito sa buli.
Count the tears that have fallen. It would seem like an ocean to me. In my heart, what a window you could look through. All the pain and the scars you would see. Tears will never stain the streets of that city. No rings of death on my mansion door. Teardrops of welcome beyond the gates of glory. For the heart will never break anymore. I question the loss of a lover. The grave seems so final and cold. Oh, but we'll meet again where death has no victory. In a land where we'll never grow old. Tears will never stain the streets of that city.
amate tiki ni non dembula tiki ni non de la wala pun sa ni rani do weekend rota ni mekin se sala da to amate so kong tua kuasa ska se kong metinga bandon se tabangan na sala na bagay gurbiko dona singa namat nanu mai mo se ngau le weekend de pina na baka sama waya o ni kandi di bose so sa romo chico en rara america tu kuno pole na non delle sio ni karun kurni da se pa chin ko kin chin ko the secret of endurance the kabu ni non do sota ko sona kanene non do posota sona kando ya do non de lola sanga polo me marro ni baba ko sulu tu me kornida nangau ni rasa te bu basangai kin ni rasa bisa o me rasa lu tu ba Kristo le ber ba kamai le ber war rotaki so e virilaki so ra kamula bula so ra bormusuki na bika so e boga durvir sanga ni ngona rawa ya nangau na saya bola cikin na lu tu ba Kristo ni le ber rasa bisa o sanga sanga polo me wandi te kiru na ba kasamungo na non rebosota na bika rawa na do la guru Ambil meu malrondo ko ndo nanda u kaulut ndo kilani kini talmo turang ni nasangala o mai lake mai ambole mai kaulut do vira na kaulut ko tanya ni sikawalu bicho kalima nangonger sa itarong kini mai balile bu na bu kuni non rasambole na sala ni rasanga itoro ni kilani mo ni la ko kinu gore tu chuki nang mati sanga itu kuno ko na bosoro male be ndo romal if said we live if said we die Kiba kima minambula, kima bisa nambula nga. Kiba kima bisa namate, kima bisa namate. Kau menekat mau wanti te kima ni curi kual. Siang ni kabo namate, siang ni kanundur menderere bak. Dua cikgu na ya bubu ni bakas sama bimbi banglut nundur menderan dau bakas sama kakak nabingona na bakas sama bimbi ngo. Tomas pia kasali rabirimba cikgu era na kata to mai numuto tau mai na bosa sa birimba cikgu na merah. Nandun ang taklilay ni sa nga meron bang metiko ay sa ato chuan itutu. Arto sa tunuban no ito kanito na nito talo kaya ito mito sa lapo. Nang mati sa tu wabulis kaya ito mo tamat sa tu ito mo. Iklan kang ito no Thomas Peka. Sa yaw biyaw kung dabuliyaw sa boleh kata biyaw kolongan. Inda chiku sa kana singa ni vitala din dai o binikate mo sa meu wandi tiken na meu kani. Na lesi na tamat bayan dua merah mate yang nagai muri na bilway. Sa nindo weekend yang pula tau mundi buru. Cuma na ngone na kalibi ko na turanga, mulesi ni bua, murani ko laku tali muleboy pota-pota, na nona itu wa turanga mero malay. Ito lusang na secret ni kabuni ko binka mo sa weekend na matanggalin na kiwango, bikim do na bichina ni pagkatalaki na weekend na bekani. Kini matay. Tuno pola na non desoy. Kesa rusa na yang sau sado buah boy Roma, na sado buah boy na tamate Roma, and na bisi nga kena. The body is just merely a tent. Doang na palela, a temporary dwelling place. Manda kilat yung nayango, isang ni katundi. Doang na tent. Kaya kau ni nalapon na itong lalong kibururo, ni nareliki na wira na matagali tamate, ang na tumako na baby. Sindo na palitundi. Doang na palila talilay, iralito ko ng doon na mga toko na norman manu. Na nona chui kaya ko atau ngaya na wai kaya kakani sawo chinga zabutan to sering dua na wali tundi. Biasa kani mati ni kamu ni bini kata, bibawa dita ko polo vir me kuri na bakasam mo ni sa ko sanay. Sa sanay mer sa ko mati ka polo to ka kulang taka, kaya sa rusa na yung sawo, tamate do bobo lo man bisi ngakena. Nataro na chiko na nebolisero to sila na nelum sa yung nga. Nada mo nelum, nakanawa ka nelum. Na balik kau sa cuki, maju cini rusukuan. Duka puni merah bagi rasa pematian yang, rasa semen rawatan merah pematian merah. Ini sudah saya kata dia wanita tiket rasa cukup bukan. Ini mati di kabun itu tu nak bola. Bawa buli tanah long mendo musuhan. Dahulu long mando bini gong, jauh binaka. Nini aku menangon bukan go. Entah semen ini datu berawa. Boleh tanah long musuh baru tekus. Entah sarung tanah itu tali boleh cimasam. Na bei possession da sarama da chukuna singa ni dai sandi na ronda ni sa lebi ke da no dito kango na sa mandi ta chiko ni sa do go buena kalu na tamatan do singa enda na bita tamu may na tokolero mani may o sa ganun sa may kola na bita na bulsa o wali tanta la bita na matiwal nito na kana luti sinay na balik sila na ngawala ni luti ala usangin do ba sa ngachi mo mago o sora kambla to ko ni chikuna lawa meron dulu yo sangare mo sen dolen bin ligo na luti kambla ni la rere chikuma tanamati to sikima bedebisi na kelo yan singa din tayo man sa din na lugo na nung kutem beto ke orang ada cuma itu kumbalik sin mas temo na be ka pinakata ka no be kani sabo dito tu weekenda ni sabo boy na lon na lon ay chiku ngero ma kene karon ka buni lele ngam dara e wosi be da kene uku kene sero ni kelo suffering would be as nothing compared to the glory which we enjoy in the next world lebu da kene uku ni kelo lele so buna no dara Oleh kaya sang nindona kaya tau sikian na menalolo manikelu. Kami rumeroma se wal tu sekali tu itu. Odi mina tau sikian na menalolo. Karoli senel luma, senendo bibodadani, senendo singa, senendo wale, senendo warele, sene selewau, senesa. Lebu da kecimana nona dede. Lele so buci kuna nona tara. Nutangi cikuni kuan bitsenani, nutangi sona bekani. Obin kat me wati ta be kende lele no tagi le bude ko no manika lele no na rawa le bude ko no uku ka ko ni no tawo no bikande no staba bala te na sarama chuki no na de chumani no ne uku kuna ko ni bisinga ka lele so muchi ko na bikande ni kala so ka ba wondo ko tawo de ke wani sindaru in da lele chuna no ni sero no ko de chunga bikato do sa do staba ni bisi kene cincin ne kene katolika bun Beka rai sandu dente wale lenga, yana beka sasangani rai sasangani mu. Kau nunggu kemisan turun meramana, beka rai sasangani dong dente. Sarda dahara. A man's eyes must fix not on the things that are seen, but in the things that are unseen. Not on the invisible, but in the invisible. Kena balik turun meramana. Kena singa dindai. Nan bibi cikuni nundari de cikuna kai rai sandu dararo na tamatan dole una ngona e do wambote bole una kairela ye na wambote suduma ye na kai sani lurai kato do gari rai da boto do kene bulumbu romo mando kai koroi na buku na yawo ye na kai sani rai ko de bital no tara cikuni singi dai o ya na marro na kalo mala tin sikwa na yalo ni bewe kani yawo ni da ka kene be ka teleso o sa chinya na kende songo ni roho na kende ko mata la tamata ne songo ni do don tamata ko to mai ndo le kisi o no le fitil ke na bala ko ro ne fitil ke na ma ni kimi songo ne songo ni to do don tamata me na pika da ka na pika romo na pika kile kina na pika to do ko mbul kine urura ni roho na kimi songo ne ko to mai ndo le kisi o no ngana fitil ke na bala ko ro ne fitil ke na ma ya na telu sa ro ta ndo na ko sanitaran lima ko ro ta mundu nomu wati ke ko singa de dai periu cinka to cinka ba isa sanga no ta koro ke me da chiku bondo kina yen sa wasangara ngai do en mulu mai ndo sama su te ba mi do mo tamuni na kru ki ma mi la bo chiku singa ko ki ma mi wana no mi masta ki ma mi wana no mi ki ma mi na wale na kru ni mo so ki ma na wale mo mi ba ta ke so bo sen din dai romo bina ko do ngan na tamuni Dokai muni roko bina buwa le naro kaki na beki mamikari na ko na muni wasa ki na droga na beti sunga na ni mamitu na ni mamitu sa kira sa mga nakula na la si ser sa kira na labitisi na sa wala na tulay na manalo na chiko ni lumo le chin karon koloko en matasa ka ni la mo maloko to na sendo sa kira na labitisi pero sa may na labitisi ang gali wala sa kanini ni
Turun dari sini kau. Busuk. Berapa? Iya, gitu benar.
Ya okey. Kita apa ni?
Dalam itu pasang.